Today we are going to look at how to complete our data transfer from our Realvolve CRM to the Workflow Secret dashboards using our custom URL that we used with the webhook within our workflow on the previous video. So if you're ready, go ahead and log into your Realvolve account and we will get after it. Moving into our Realvolve dashboard, from login.realvolve.com, we're going to do a couple of things and ensure that we have all of the pieces set up so that we can effectively send all of our data from Realvolve CRM to our Workflow Secret dashboard. To start, we're going to need to move all the way over to the top right-hand side and migrating to our settings. From our settings on the very far left-hand side, we're going to migrate to the SMS services icon. Clicking on the SMS services, we want to ensure that we have a phone number set within Realvolve so that we can send that SMS that is tied to our workflow activity. From talking with the Realvolve team, these numbers have to be generated and cannot be numbers that we currently have, as they are more like auto reminders that you might see from a doctor's office and less of true numbers that can be utilized. Nonetheless, we can get close by simply filling out as much data as possible. Selecting our country, I'm going to go ahead and select the United States and my area code. Now from here, what it's going to do is it's going to auto-generate a number, or I can click the drop-down menu. It's going to give me a list of available numbers so that I can most closely find and match a number that would look similar to a number that I use within my own business. I'm just going to take the very top number, clicking save, and then we'll be ready to go. Now, once I have my Realvolve number locked in place, I'm going to go on that top ribbon and click dashboard. From the dashboard, I can then click the contact icon and migrate to my contact section. I can then select the contact that I'm hoping to start the workflow on. Now from here, I can move to the far right-hand side where it says start a workflow. Clicking on it, I'm going to have a drop-down menu that's going to give me access to all of my different contact-based workflows. In this case, I'm going to select the new leads workflow that we were just working on in the last video that we know has our webhook tied to it. And I'm going to start it with myself. Clicking next, I'm going to ensure that it has all of the appropriate actions and activities tied to it, and then I'm going to click next. From here, I can then set the start date as well as whom it is assigned to, and if it's ready to go, I can hit done. From here, the workflow has been started, and you may either need to refresh your radar tab so that the workflow's activity can be found right under that start a workflow, or you can migrate to the activities tab on the far right-hand side just above the start a workflow button, and you're going to notice that I have one incomplete activity available to me. Clicking this checkbox, what I can do, send an SMS auto response, which is that activity assigned with our webhook tied to it, and clicking run, it'll then run the activity. Now from here, what it's done is it's completed this activity. Now from here, what it's done is it's run the action and sent the SMS auto response, as well as sent all of my data using that webhook to my Workflow Secrets dashboard. We are now finished and our dashboards are now populated with the different pieces of data from our Realvolve. I hope this helps you understand a little bit deeper how to send all of the different pieces of data from your Realvolve CRM to the Workflow Secret dashboards, as well as how to utilize the Realvolve workflow to empower all of the data to be sent over to you. I hope you're having a really great day, and we're so grateful for you using our Workflow Secret dashboard.